Welcome student, in this video we will see the design of sequential circuit solved problem 4. The given problem is realize the sequential circuit for the state diagram using the D flip-flop. The state diagram is given. For that we need to design the sequential circuit using the D flip-flop. So there are three states available A, B, C, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. This number indicates is the output. This x is nothing but the input. For input x equal to 0, x equal to 1, right? So the three states available, that is A, B, C, that 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. The number available inside the circle is the output. This green color number is nothing but a input. So from this we need to develop the state table, right? From the state diagram, first we need to develop the state table, right? So see this, the A goes to B for x equal to 0 as well as s equal to 1, right? So this is the present state. This is the next state for x equal to 0, x equal to 1. So A goes to B for x equal to 0, A goes to B for x equal to 1 also, right? See this, A state A is go to the state B for both x equal to 0 and x equal to 1, right? For both x equal to 0, x equal to 1, A goes to B. The output is 0. Then the next one, B goes to C for x equal to 0 as well as x equal to 1. B goes to C for x equal to 1 as well as x equal to 0 as well as x equal to 1. The output is 0. Then C goes to C itself for x equal to 0. C goes to C itself for x equal to 0. C goes to A for x equal to 1. C goes to A for x equal to 1. What is the output? Output is 1, right? So the output here 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, right? So from the state diagram we developed the state table. So there are three states available. So we need a 2 flip-flop. We are going to use the D flip-flop. Now we need to go with the state assignment, right? How the state, the present state and next state of the D flip-flop, right? So there are three states available. Now we'll see this. This state assignment, there are three states 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1 is not available. Only three states 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Right. So how it is changes? This A goes to B for x equal to 0 as well as x equal to 1. That is, what is B? B is nothing but 0, 1. A is 0, 0, B is 0, 1. So A goes to B for x equal to 0 as well as x equal to 1, right? So 0, 0 goes to 0, 1 for x equal to 0, 0, 1 for x equal to 1 also. The output is 0, right? So the A indicates 0, 0, B indicates 0, 1, C indicates 1, 0. So here A goes to 0, 0 goes to 0, 1. Similarly 0, 1 for both x equal to 0, x equal to 1. That is given here. 0, 0 goes to 0, 1 for x equal to 0. Again 0, 1 for x equal to 1 for a output of 0. Similarly B goes to C for both x equal to 0 as well as 1. So B is 0, 1. What is C? 1, 0. So 0, 1 goes to 1, 0 for x equal to 0 as well as x equal to 1. The output is 0. Then C goes to C, that is 1, 0 goes to 1, 0 itself, right, for x equal to 0. Similarly 1, 0 goes to 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, C goes to A. So 1, 0 goes to 0, 0. For that output is 1. Output is 1. Right. Now we got the present state and next state of the D flip-flop. Right. I think you are able to understand. A goes to B for x equal to 0, x equal to 1. B goes to C for x equal to 0 as well as x equal to 1. C goes to C itself for x equal to 0. C goes to A for x equal to 1. The corresponding outputs are 0, 0, 1. Now we need to identify the excitation table. That is the design of the D flip-flop. From this from the present state and next state, we need to identify what is the input to the first flip-flop and second flip-flop, DA and DB. I will go to the next table. First we will see the excitation table for D flip-flop. What is the excitation table? For a current state and next state, for a current state and next state, what is the input to the D flip flop is nothing but excitation table. Truth table means input, output is obtained from input. Here this input is obtained from the output, from current state and next state. What is the input to the D flip flop? For example, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The nature of D flip flop is it is not bother about the current state. What is the next state that will be reflected as a input of the D flip flop? For example, Q n plus 1 0 means D also 0. Otherwise, if D equal to 0, the next state is 0 only. It will not bother about current state. If D equal to 1, the next state also 1. Not depends upon current state. If D equal to 0, the next state is 0. D equal to 1, Qn plus 1 is 1, right? So, Qn plus 1 is very similar to D input. Otherwise, the D input will be reflected as a next state, that without considering the current state, without bothering the current state, right? These two are same. D value will reflected as a Qn plus 1. So, based on that, we can develop the design table for D flip flop, right? So, this is the input X. This is the, we need to decide this DA and DB value, right? From this table, we need to develop this. That is 0 0 goes to 0 1, 0 0 goes to 0 1. This 0 0 goes to 0 1 for a input of 0. Similarly, 0 1 goes to 1 0, 1 0 goes to 1 0, right? So, for all the cases, the input is 0. The input is 0, x equal to 0, right? 0 0 to 0 1, 0 0 to 0 1 for x equal to 0. 0 1 to 1 0, 0 1 to 1 0 for x equal to 0, right? So, this here x is available, this x is available. Similarly, 1 0 to 1 0, 1 0 to 1 0, the corresponding input is 0. Then 1 1 is not available, so it is not considered x mark. For that, input is taken as x. Then similarly, the next one, 0 0 goes to 0 1, the corresponding input is 1. 0 1 goes to 1 0, corresponding input is 1. Similarly, 1 0 goes to 0 0, corresponding input is 1. That is given in this, the remaining table. 0 0 goes to 0 1, 0 1 goes to 1 0, 1 0 goes to 0 0, this is 1 0 goes to 0 0, the corresponding x value is 1. For 1 1 is not available, so that is considered as don't care condition, right? So, from the above table, this the combination of 8 combinations are developed, current state and next state, the input is available, right? I think you are able to understand, right? 0 0 to 0 1 one state, 0 0 to 0 1 another state, for x equal to 0, x equal to 1, right? So, that we are getting the 8 combination, out of which 2 combination is not applicable, right? Now, we need to decide the DA value. We already discussed DA value is purely depends upon next state. So, QA is available, QA plus 1 is available. So, the DA is purely depends upon QA plus 1 next state. It is not depends upon the current state. What is the value of QA plus 1? That will be reflected in the DA, right? See this 0 0 1 1 1 1 XX, same thing. What is available QA1? That is nothing but the DA value. Similarly, QB1 is the DB value, right? So, based on the nature of the D flip flop, it is depends upon the next state, not depends upon the current state. So, based on that, these values are decided. Now, from this value, we need to draw the K map. We need to go for the reduction of the K map. We need to identify the reduced logical expression for DA as well as DB. From the reduced logical expression, we need to design the logic circuit using the D flip flop, DA and DB. Now, we will go to the K map for the reduction of expression. So, first for DA, what is the input? X, QA, QB. X is the input, QA, QB is the current state. So, the DA depends upon the input X, QA and QB, right? So, this X having one variable, so 2 combination X bar and X, that is 0 1, QA, QB 2 variable, 4 combinations are available, 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0, QA bar, QB bar, QA bar, QB QA, QB, QA into QB bar. 0 means there is a complement. So based on the table, there are 3 ones are there and 2 cross mark, 2 don't care conditions are available. So that these 4 cells are combined together. Similarly, these 2 cells are combined together. So while combining these 4 cells, the corresponding row we have X bar and X, so that got cancelled. The corresponding second column and third column, what we have QA bar and QA got cancelled. Only we have QB, right? QB only available. So while combining these two cells, corresponding row is we have X bar. What is available in corresponding column? QA, QB, QA, QB bar. So QB, QB bar cancel, only we have QA. So X bar into QA. So the DA equal to QB plus X bar QA. Similarly, we can go for DB. So the DB same, input X, QA, QB. X bar X and 4 combinations. There is 2 ones are available and 2 don't care conditions are available. So only these 2 are grouped together. So while grouping, the corresponding row got cancelled. X bar X cancel. Only we have corresponding column QA bar QB bar. So the DB equal to QA bar and QB bar. Now we got the expression for DA, QB plus X bar QA, DB, QA bar QB bar. So based on the equation, we can develop the logic circuit. Right. See this, here X is available with NOT gate is connected, so that we got X bar. Right. So this is the DA and DB, first flip flop and second flip flop. What is DA? DA value is nothing but QB plus X bar QA. See this here, this is OR gate, so it will add, QB will be added plus this AND gate, so it will multiply both X bar into QA, that will be added with QB. So X bar QA plus QB will be given as a DA value. Similarly, what is DB? QA bar QB bar, right? So this, see this QB bar, this QB bar is taken as one of the input and QA bar is taken as one of the input. So both are multiplied and given as a DB, right? So DB is nothing but QA bar QB bar. QA bar available here, QB bar available here. Now we design the logic circuit. So in this problem, the state diagram is given, from that state table, then excitation table, then the state assignment and the design of T flip flop, the current state and next state, input to the DA DB is designed. From the tabular column, the reduced expression is got from the K map. The reduced expression is implemented in the logic circuit. Thank you for listening.